Welcome everyone. Today we will explore how music can be used to fuel a mindset of forgiveness and reconciliation in Haiti, a nation marked by decades of political and social turmoil. What a relevant way to unite communities.
Music is a universal language that transcends cultural and linguistic barriers. In Haiti, it plays a central role in daily life.
From the catchy rhythms of compa to the troubadour genre, Haitian music offers a communication tool which goes beyond words, thus promoting unity and mutual understanding.
The various genres of Haitian music can contribute to peace, forgiveness, and reconciliation. The music creators and promoters must mobilize so that this art serve to lift the spirit of music lovers and transform society.
Through his messages of faith, hope, and redemption, gospel music offers spiritual comfort and community gathering. It inspires thousands of people to seek inner peace and healing. The compa genre, born in the 1950s, brings together Haitians from all walks of life. The troubadour genre, with his acoustic ballads, deeply touches listeners with its simplicity and sincerity.
Song lyrics can convey powerful messages of peace, forgiveness, and reconciliation. Musicians can use their art to raise awareness and inspire listeners to adopt positive yet constructive attitudes.
Haitian music occupies a significant space in the programming of radio and television stations. It occupies the attention of most youth and less young people alike, thus having a profound impact on individuals and society. Music events, whether formal or informal, bring people together. By sharing musical experiences, individuals can strengthen community bonds and cultivate a sense of belonging and solidarity. Organizing educational programs and music workshops for young people can help them develop their talents and to use music as a means of positive expression. These initiatives may also include sessions on conflict resolution and peace promotion. Together, let's mobilize to use Haitian music as a powerful tool for healing and reconciliation. Let's harness the power of music to build a more peaceful, just, and united society. Thank you for your attention.